Hello everyone. Now we'll see what is the difference between frame window and applet window. See, this is your frame window. Blue color one is your frame window. Yellow color one is your applet window. Now you can see what is the difference. Here title bar with whatever title we have given. Here by default applet title bar using program name. Then one more applet title bar applet. Next we have displayed some message in this hello, and this is your status bar applet started. There is no such status bar in frame window. Okay, yeah. Now we'll see one more difference, which is major difference. You can close this applet window by clicking close button, but you cannot close frame window by clicking close button, as we have to write one event handling code for this. Now I am not introducing what is event handling, only remember this: we cannot close this frame window. For closing this frame window, you have to press Ctrl C. After pressing, it will take some time and it will close that frame window. Okay, see, frame window is no. Next, now differences between two programs. This is your frame window and this is your applet window. Now there are differences in these two programs. Your first difference is, for frame we require java.awt.start. For applet we require two packages. First one is same java.awt and second one is java.applet.start for creating applet. Now for creating frame we have to extend which class? Frame class. In applet we have to extend which class? Extends applet class. Now there is a constructor in frame for initializing different parameters. In applet there is a method init for initialization. Now in frame window these three methods are required, which these methods are not required in applet window. Now one more difference: there is a public static void main in frame window, but it is not available in applet. Next is HTML code. HTML code is required for applet, which is not required for frame. Now how to compile and run these two programs? This frame program will be compiled and run as a simple Java program. JavaC program name.java and run Java program name. And for applet, compile first program and then how to run applet program? Applet via program name.java.